In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the current pricing options for the Microsoft Excel app as of late August 2025. If you're pondering over how much it costs to get your hands on the robust functionalities of Excel, you're in the right place. Let's delve into the different options available for obtaining Excel, whether that's through a one-time purchase or a subscription service, and see which one might be the perfect fit for you. Firstly, for those who prefer a one-time purchase, you have the option to buy Excel as a standalone application. This means you'll own the software outright for a one-computer license, whether it's for PC or Mac. Currently, this will set you back about $179.99. Buying this standalone version is ideal if you foresee using Excel extensively on a single computer without the need for frequent updates or additional features from other Office applications. Now, if you're looking for more than just Excel, consider the Microsoft Office package. This includes not only Excel, but also Word, PowerPoint, and other applications in one convenient bundle. A popular choice is the Office Home and Student 2024 edition, which provides a single license costing around $149 to $159. Additionally, if you're interested in more comprehensive solutions, the Office Home and Business versions for 2021 and 2024 are often available at discounted prices ranging from around $69.97 to $99.99 during limited-time promotions. This package can be a better value if you need multiple Office apps for school or work. For ongoing access to Excel, along with the entire suite of Microsoft Office applications, many users turn to Microsoft's subscription-based service, Microsoft 365. Opting for a subscription ensures you always have the latest version and features as Microsoft updates its applications frequently. If it's just for you, the Microsoft 365 Personal Plan offers full access for roughly $9.99 per month, or $99.99 annually. This is a great choice if you enjoy the latest technology and features along with cloud storage and collaboration tools. For families or households with multiple users, there's the Microsoft 365 Family Subscription. This allows up to 6 users to access the full Microsoft suite for about $12.99 per month or $129.99 per year. It's a flexible and economical choice for families or even small teams sharing resources. Something to keep in mind is that recent pricing updates have introduced new features, like the Microsoft Copilot AI, which have increased subscription prices from earlier rates. For instance, monthly costs jumped from about $6.99 to the current $9.99. Though they're higher, these additions could enhance your productivity, making it worth the cost. There you have it, an overview of the current costs associated with Microsoft Excel. Whether you choose a one-time purchase or subscribe for continuous updates and features, there's an option to suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps guide your purchasing decision.